Okay. We are here. Oh, brother. So... Yeah. As you can see, I have Discord reactive now, and it's fucking hilarious. It looks stupid, but, like, I love this PNG so much that I don't give a shit. Give me a second, I'm gonna grab a water. I'm back. I'm back. I grabbed my water. We're good now. Delicious water. I've been drinking Red Bull for the last... shit, I don't even know how long. Anyways. Yeah. That was interesting. That was, like, interesting lag it had. Let me also... put this into mini player mode. And yeah, I can close that down. Okay, so here we are. Okay, yeah, looks fine to me. Oh, shit. There we go. Okay, there we go. Now I have access. So, this is the old front end I created. I'm trashing it now. It's useless. I'm pretty much reworking Neuron completely from scratch. So... Studio? Let's do that. I'm trying to figure out what looks good. Fuck it. We ball. Okay, so. I actually need to install stuff onto my laptop. So this screen is my laptop screen. Oh, I needed to click in for you guys to actually see my mouse. That's interesting. To be fair, I could just turn this on instead and switch it to this. And then, actually, I think there's another thing I could do, maybe. If we grab this, do this. I think... Oh, brother, I made a mistake. Oh, I have to close out of so many things to be able to get to this. Okay, settings. Floating window, that's what we'll go with. There we go, that's better. Clear that. Okay. Open... Nope, not that. This. There we go. Okay. Honestly, can I move this over here instead? Okay, let's do this, move this over here, and mini player. Son of a bitch! interesting. Interesting. Actually, you know what? Now I don't need this if I do this. Arguably looks way better. I can also turn that off, or I can keep it on. Customize panel. Too transparent. Okay, so clicking save also makes the custom. Brother, can I not just keep this? Nope. Okay, apparently not. You're a dick. Unless, let me try something here. No, it's not underneath. Okay. Also, we're gonna turn... Wait, which one is this? Oh, that's what that one is. Gotcha. Okay. Oh, so these are... Oh. Wait, but this one is set to LG. Okay, cool. Okay, there we go. That's why. Okay, let's see. So if I go to compact player, I think I can set it to always on top. Or not. There it is. Let's see. I could instead do switch to main. And do locked down? Ah. Oh, main player locked down, I see now. Okay, am I... That I die. I can't live without my coffee. I don't know why it wants to be over here. I want it to be on the... Ah, fuck you, you son of a bitch. I want it to be on the other display, but no. Okay. Fuck it. Oh, this is cool. Why is this one over on my other one? Fucking bullshit. Okay. The fucking avenue.
A single almond requires 1.1 gallons of water to grow.
Playing track. Ah.
Tell me, girl, what you up to after this? 'Cause I'm gonna go home and sit in a chair.
I don't see any difference. I really should just give up on this at this point. So I'm gonna do this, and fuck it, we'll take that back on. Okay, I think that looks fine. Now, the next thing I wanted to do is with this, I wanted to try and set it, because I know there's a way.
flashback, saw a touch more resolute. I declare dumb words in the pocket of my suit. Take it all down, take me all apart. You can have my tongue, just promise you'll take it all apart. Take it all,
Just don't take it out to heart.
Thank God we turn the lights out.
Thank God.
Take it, take me all apart. You can have my tongue, just promise you'll take it all apart. Take it all, just don't take it all to heart. Thank God we turn the lights out. Thank God. And what I never knew, I'd rather be inside my head than you. How many times will I couldn't count? Cause it gets so deep, it goes so deep, I'll never pull it out. NYC on red, I freak cause they wanna take this and that. LLC for the next LP, and I'm never gonna give it back. Stick to proud, no more return flight. Said about to hold on you. I don't usually care for the doom in the air, but it's feeling kinda overdue.
Aha! I found out how I can do this. So I'm now going to remove this and this. And now I can do here we go. Neurons computer, I mean. There we go, it worked. Great. Alright. This one we should set like that. Not that it matters now. Okay. I have things set up now. So, this is... Son of a bitch. Oh god. Okay, I think the only way to fix that is I have to, this is gonna suck, but I think I have to,
So forgive me, so please forgive me. Take me all apart. Get out my tongue if you take it all apart.
excuse me, bitch, where the fuck is...
Take it all to heart.
Am I blind?
Wow.
1 second.
Wow. Wow. Yeah. I woke up with a swollen
Aha, there we go. Now you guys can see the mouse? Yeah. The problem is I see it as well, and there's actually lag on the mouse, so it looks disgusting to me.
Do you want a girlfriend?
Do you want a lover?
I'm crushing on someone.
So honestly, I'm thinking we do this. And you guys deal with the fact that you won't be able to see where my cursor is. Okay, anyways. I, in fact, need to open this one up now. Well, let's just... And I think I can do view always on top for Discord. Or not Discord, but OBS.
We're out.
Am I not able to... I think I can turn that off if I go into here, yeah. So controls, scene, transition. I'll keep the audio mixer just so I can see things. Same with source and scene, I guess. But now, we can shrink this down a little. Those are kind of the only things that are important to see.
It's ring, the southern song of the underground cries.
Never mind.
We
I'm
call
done.
these shows
I'm done with this shit.
over
Okay,
black
so... back in. I need to turn this on. Goes out of bat now. I don't even remember what that picture is, but okay. So, this code right here is really dope. They pretty much just, 1 second, I want to do something. Open this. Wrong. Nothing's alright with this up from the solid and these wings. Black Okay, yeah, I think that's good enough. So. This code right here is what's called an NPC server. And pretty much what this code does right here is it just allows, it just sends back date, time. As you can see up here, it says in ISO format. And, oh, sorry, I can actually run it inside of here if I decide to turn this on for testing purposes, obviously. So we turn this on, I can then go into time query right here. I've already done it for testing, but we can just do it again. So generate AI response, and I've given it the ability to get the time, so I actually forgot to turn off thinking. I kind of wish I did that. Deny with a reason. So there we go. They got the time, and I'm going to turn off their thinking, because I don't need to see what they're thinking. And it kind of wastes time. Like, watch how much faster this will be. It's a lot faster when you turn off the thinking, but it makes it dumber, I would assume. I don't know if that's actually true, I just assume that. But yeah, so the code works, it's able to run the tool, and as you can see, the tool is running inside of LM Studio. So what that means for us is that, back on Neuron, back on the computer, I can just continue to do this. I can just continue to, I can take all of these, I believe in the front end is where I put all of the tools. So yeah, I can take these tools and I can go, okay, we don't need this anymore. We don't need this, you know? We don't need all this complicated bullshit. We can simplify it down and just have the AI run it in a cool way. Shit. I realize there's an issue with this being up here. And I don't think there's anything I can do. Oh, son of a bitch. Okay, we're gonna restart that song instead. Output to playback speed. Okay, at this point, I'm done with this layout bullshit, okay? Oh, I didn't know I could do that, actually. That works. Can I, resize it in any way? I can. I can't make it bigger, but I can at least do that. That should be good, and then I think I will actually panel layout, customize, fly. There we go, I think that looks fine. Shit, you guys can't even see it anyways, I didn't think about that. Okay. So we actually need to turn this back on. Yeah, if you guys can't see it, then I might as well put it over here. And panel layout wide. There we go. I can see it, but you can't, losers. Stupid bitches. Okay, so in here, once again, we can just simplify all of this down. I mean, we can't simplify it all that much, but we can simplify it by quite a bit. So, if I remember correctly, the first thing we want to do is inside of this, let me look back at how I did this. I know one of the things we need to do is install some stuff. Because we need to create a venv environment, but we need to create it using MPC. So let me look back at this stuff. Is this? Yes, this is for building the server. Good. Okay. So yeah, in Python, we just need to do PowerShell execution bypass, install this to set up the environment. So let's install UV. Okay, so we're gonna open the VS Code and fuck off. Oh, nice. I forgot that I added that. So now... I guess there's not really anything that I need to add. Let me check to make sure there's nothing I want to add. So I'm gonna look through what I have in here. I think continue is the only thing that I would think about adding, but I don't need to add that. Was there anything else? PowerShell, I believe, is already in here. If it's not, that would be surprising. Okay, let's... Let me check what version I have, because that could explain it. Oh, yeah, I'm still using Windows 10 on this computer. I think I can still use PowerShell though, so PowerShell's kind of necessary. So we'll just do that. And yep, PowerShell, perfect. Great thing about PowerShell is I get the clear command out of it. Next up, anything else? So we're all the way down here with Python and then PowerShell, Cloaca JS. I just call it that because I think it's funny. As far as I can tell, nothing else. Okay. Nothing else that's necessary for things to run. So now we can start running our necessary code to get everything functional. So let's start by grabbing this, copy, and then right here, paste it. So this is the code for installing UV. And then, that's done now. Let me move my water out of the way. To add them to your path, either restart your shell or run. We can run one of these, which this is the one that we want to run. Or actually, I think this one works fine because we'd have to use PowerShell at the beginning for this one to work, and I've ran into issues with it just not working anyways, so I'm gonna try this one instead. Okay, never mind, we're gonna do this one instead. And we're just gonna add PowerShell to the beginning, I think. PowerShell, paste, enter. Nope, that did not work. So paste it just normally. Okay, that worked. Yeah, I'm just stupid. Okay, so now that we did that, it's now added to our bullshit, you know? And then I'm gonna do this. Stop, would you like to restart it? Yes. As is closed. C below to restart. So we now have restarted it like it wanted us to. I didn't need to restart it because I ran the other code, but I just like to be safe. Rather be safe than sorry, you know? So now we want to create our folder. So for the folder, we're going to do UV init, and then let's name this one Blue Sky Tools. UV is not recognized. Okay, we're going to close out of this then. And that should be a reset now. it should be reset. So now we should be able to do UV in it. What was it again? Blue sky dash tools. There we go. Okay, now it works, and as you can see, we have our folder. Next up, we just want to open an integrated terminal. We can close out of this one because we won't be needing it, and we want to, inside of this one, UV v venv, and then enter. Yep. And now we start our virtual environment by doing this. And then we want to do scripts, and actually it's right here. So can I just click it? No, okay. So instead we're gonna just paste like so. Here we go. Clear. And as you can see, we now have our virtual environment initialized, and so this one, for some reason, it just doesn't recognize that there's a virtual environment, which is obnoxious, but okay. We're gonna turn off source control. Back into here, we want to do UV add MCP CLI HTTPX. Enter. I could also do whatever. And then we want to do new item, and this is going to be, which we should actually, we can just delete this main.py, it's not necessary. So I'm just going to delete it. And we're going to name this blue sky dash tools.py. There we go. It has been created, and this is what it looks like. It's completely empty. That didn't happen last time. I think it like initialized with a bunch of stuff already, but I could be wrong. So yeah, now we want to, this is the main thing that we want to get, and once again, Python's being stupid and is not selecting the interpreter for some reason. Download and set up Py, create environment, venv. That's so weird. Okay, I have an idea. We're gonna close out, and we're gonna do this and open this up now. And now will it actually be able to read the virtual environment? Yes, it will. So set as our interpreter. And this should have come with packages, but it didn't. I love it when it doesn't come with fucking packages. Like, literally all I need is pip. Also, let's update pip. So, I wonder... Yeah, I don't know why it just doesn't give us pip. But yeah, if we go into... No, it has all of this. I don't know why. This has happened multiple times now where it just doesn't work. I don't even remember what I did to fix it last time. I did a lot of bullshit, that's all I remember. I think what I'm gonna do is switch our workspace to this one. So yeah, no active environments, and then this one. I know there's a way to set... God damn it, I forgot how to do things, bro. My brain has stopped working slowly. It's been so just... Today has been painful. Python. honestly, at this point,
I can't believe I fell in love with you. I can't believe I fell in love with you. You ain't got no money, you can't sing, and the best thing, baby, you're just like me. Yeah, yeah. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba. You're just like me. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba. I can't believe I fell in love. I can't believe I fell in love with you. I can't believe I fell in love. I can't believe I fell in love with you.
I hate Copilot, dude. It just gets in the way.
I can't believe I fell in love.
Let's
I can't believe I fell in love with you. I can't believe I fell in love. I can't believe I fell in love with you.
Bro, I don't give a shit that there's a heat wave. I knew it. Oh, it's air quality, actually. I always get notifications, and like it vibrates 15 times whenever there's a notification about like, oh, there's a heat wave or some bullshit like that. And it's just like, don't be a pussy, bro. There we go. Finally, it actually used the correct interpreter. I don't know why I have to do it that way, but like it quite literally refuses to work. Oh, wait a minute. So here's python.exe. I assume it gives us. There's also Python in here. Oh, okay, never mind. Okay, I'm gonna assume it's functional now. Yeah, it looks like it. It looks like it knows what this stuff is now. So we're good. Okay. There we go. So now we need to initialize it by doing son of a bitch.
I think
I'm
that's a
gonna
fucking
fucking
rap.
kill
Can you
this
still make
fly.
some real shit?
MCP equals fast MCP. And then we want to name it, and I'll just name it Blue Sky. And then we can set up constants, but we don't need to. Not right now, at least. Then we can create like async MCP tools. So we can do like at MCP dot tool. And then we would do, you know, like something async define, which for this, we're actually going to look back at the front end to see what I coded. So if we're creating a post, that is one of them. And yeah, so pretty much I can just copy this if I wanted to. And as we can see, it doesn't actually use asynchronous stuff, so I don't need to do that. I can just do this. Although, technically, I think it has to be asynchronous. Client is not defined. Oh, yeah, that's fair. We need to actually import at proto. So at proto Python ping. If this is the end, I'll do it again. picture, it seems to be the same one, so this is the one that I want to go like this. Terminal, and paste, pip install at proto, and there we go. Which honestly, I just realized I did something kind of stupid. By making this a venv, obviously, I'm going to be doing this again for the other tours. Which, that would be a waste of space. So, I'm thinking of not wasting the space. I don't know. Let's see. How much storage does this already use up? That's the question. If it's not too bad, then who gives a shit? Okay, yeah. Copying it over isn't a big deal, but we should see now that we can do this. Oh my god, it didn't add it to the correct thing, did it? Son of a bitch. Lovely. Okay. So I assume it probably went with this, the global one? No. Okay, so yeah, it's just not updating for no fucking reason. So we're gonna do this, reopen it, and you better fucking function this time, you piece of shit. I swear to Jesus. I swear to God. So it's saying that's actually in the global one already. Ah, I see it is. Well, that's not what I wanted, you fucking piece of shit.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Whoa, kitty!
Kenny, sucking on his rusty penny.
I fucking hate everything, dude.
Kenny, trading in his ones for 20s. La la la, why? Kenny's got laser knives coming out of his eyes. La why? Kenny's got 35 billion slipping slides. Kenny, like sucking on pennies. Kenny, like sucking on penny shit. Ooh. Juno fell into the pool at Kenny house and Kenny refused to get wet. Juno took a shit on Kenny's great cloud couch and Kenny refused to pick it up. Why? Kenny's got sweet potato pies in the microwave. Why? Kenny never uses his bathtub to wash his face. Oh, Kenny! Oh, Kenny shit!
I'm never inviting y'all to my house or the cave again because there's too many details in there. Some of those things happened and some of those things I'm not sure if they happened.
Take
I'll see just what it took to find you. Don't be surprised, I shouted from the sides behind you. I wish I could remind you, I wish I could. And what's your tone? It's a light in a room with a multicolored ceiling. It's a white on the shoes with the multicolored creasing. It's just like bit of truth with the multicolored meaning. I like to hide a little less. I like to cry a little more. If I was happy, you know why. I risk it all just to make sure. And what's your tone? It's a light in a room with the multicolored ceiling. It's a white on the shoes with the multicolored creases. It's just like bit of truth with the multicolored meaning. I like to hide a little less. I like to cry a little more. If I was happy, you know why. I risk it all
I
just to
fucking hate you. You wanna know what I'm gonna do? That's what I'm gonna do.
shit, man. Nasty shit. Look, I stuff a Glock in my bitch pocket. Bitch, stop it. Skinny nigga, big poppy. We put the pedal to metal, I'm a Nicki Whoa. We put the pedal to metal, I'm a Nicki Minaj. One deep, baby, can't top it. 5'9" with the stick, I look like Big Poppy. I keep it shoddy. Bottom bitches not harm me. How could I not be? Everything you copy, huh? I kill rock, now I'm sending bullets at your zombies. You never harm me. Niggas try to Vietnam me, but I've been playing with pistols since you watching Toonami. I'm not a rapper, I'm white trash and I'm upper body. Ain't no career, I'm just hoping Madonna adopts me. I get it poppin'. Fuck rock, fuck poppy. I put the stock in. Scheming, I'm not plotting. These niggas step into me, end up Gianna Versace, nigga.
There. Now it doesn't exist anymore. So, there should be no way in hell it downloads to the wrong fucking area. And I have somebody that I need to ban because they're a bot. Bot bitch. Switch to... Okay, but how do I... It won't let me ban them. Okay, I have to open up Steam, or not Steam, Twitch. Go to my channel. And now take mod view. And fuck off. There we go. Get banned. fucking bot bitches. I'm sick and tired of this shit. Okay. Now, where were we? Back into here. Which, so yeah, this is what we're trying to get working right now. And for some reason it just continues to refuse to function. So at Proto is not in here. But okay, can't set. So yeah, I can't set this to be my active workspace interpreter for some reason. Dude, what the fuck? Okay, what about now? Oh my god, dude. UV. Holy Jesus Christ, that scared the fuck out of me. I forgot that I had that. So maybe this will work. Install the Python tool UV. I hate everything. VS Code Python. I swear to God, I can't spell Python. Can't set workspace interpreter. Well, that would be because we don't have Python installed anymore, to be fair. God fucking damn it, dude. Ugh. I swear to God, I'm gonna beat somebody's ass, bro. I'm gonna do it. Excuse me, bitch. 1 second. Let me check something. I thought I was live. Okay, I am. I thought I was live on YouTube. For some reason, OBS is saying I'm not, despite the fact that I clearly am. Yes, do both of those. Install now.
Whoa, kid it. Watch me do this shit and not break near sweat. Want it like I haven't had my first meal yet. If I ever really rap, it would go on the great street.
There we go.
Whole team straight as a baby teeth. Stop playing me. Undercover singer boy, but rap the profession. Me and Kenny Beats is like witness protection. So don't try me or you going to jail, bitch. All head goes, no Keenan and Kel, bitch. It was just the other day in line, this lady tried to skip. Said she was a crip. Let me ask Vince. Find out you lying, we gon' call Zach Fox. He gon' stuff your body in a tiny black box. Wait, he gon' suffocate you with his mustache, ho. Your baby mama built like a bus pass, bro. If you a black man, then you know what I know. Gotta borrow Kenny's skin just to walk to the stove. Gotta have 30 references to walk through the door. Why the fuck you think I rap? It was that to sell dope. Straight from Atlanta, but I came out reserved. Bound to make a splash since I jumped off the curb. Vernacular spectacular, I'm T.I. with the words. Disrespect the gang and you're living with a curse. You ain't seen a nigga care about his bars this much since Smack DVD. I had EBT, that's a TBT. I'm ready for war, dressed in camo.
Are you gonna continue to be a piece of shit or are you gonna fucking function? Thank you, asshole.
Cause they have not. It ain't my fault you dropped in age, you ass shot. New birth, headstrong, coming for the throne. If you think I won't, dead wrong, Ketty Long. I'ma need some more instrumental, my boy. Cause they couldn't hold a candle at a vigil, my boy. On wax, I get real sentimental, my boy. Made millions crying on these instrumentals, my boy. This show, the bootleg, Jimmy Kimmel, my boy. Hit or destroy, send a decoy. I probably employ, reverse the mission, send him back and kill for the boy. I got power, that's by my loan. Fuck up my shot, we'll get him in post. Reach for the time, he better go ghost. I know I'm a noose, give me a rope.
Okay, so it says that selected the correct thing. But, despite MCP being right here, which of course has server right here, and then fast MPC, and then we should see, I mean, it's probably somewhere in here. But like, yeah, this should be working.
I'm happy.
Yet, as you can see,
As can be.
it's fucking not.
Medicate is the way. It's the way I make it through another day.
Dude, I'm gonna fucking lose it. What is happening? Oh my fucking god.
Wanna be just like me, so happy.
I'm legitimately losing my mind currently.
Is the way. It's the way I make this sad face gone today. An end to my confusion, but it takes away the best of me. And in my men's delusion, I'm not even really happy. Medicate, medicate. I don't really care if it makes you feel numb. It makes you feel dumb. Just make me look like I am having fun. Yes, I am having fun. Just like everyone. An end to my confusion, but it takes away the best of me. A chemical illusion that I've been too far to see. So medicate, medicate. I don't really care if it makes you feel numb. It makes you feel dumb. Just make me look like I am having fun. Medicate, medicate, medicate.
Side effects may include dry mouth, dizziness, bleeding from the eyes, hair loss, blurred vision, diarrhea, constipation, sexual dysfunction in both men and women, sleeplessness, hives and other skin irritations, loss of hearing, indigestion, heartburn, difficulty with breathing, skin
What was
cancer,
that?
conjoined twin dyslexia, loss of appetite, incest, ingrown toenails, arthritis, incontinence, leprosy, spinal meningitis, chronic halitosis, venereal wart, scratchy throat, itchy eyes, hemorrhoids, loss of consciousness, throat polyps, homosexuality, irrational behavior, runny nose, and complete psychological breakdown. Same as in sugar pill, and effects may vary from patient to patient. Consult your physician to see if this is right for you.
with these homies who be dissing my boy. Do they know I'm aggravated with the negativity and the noise? They tell me find a wealthy man, but they don't seem too happy. I was afraid to put myself on the line for a boy till he put me in my place and showed me how to enjoy myself. I think I need your help. I think she's coming back. You're the only one who's making me come to my sinful senses. I'll never love anyone the same. I'll never feel ashamed of you, seeing you for pleasure. Am I naive to think that he could be the love of my life? There is a voice inside my head that's telling me that it's right. I never thought I'd tell him how scared I am of losing him. You're the only one who's making me come to my sinful senses. I'll never love anyone the same. I'll never feel ashamed of you, seeing you for pleasure. Someday we'll both be older. I wonder if we'll be together, looking back on the past. But I don't care if I don't live to see another day. Oh, I love it most right. I love you and I hate you and I'm losing my mind. And you tell me all the time that this'll pass and that I'm gonna be fine. We're such a mess together. You make me lose my temper. You're the only one who's making me come to my sinful senses. I'll never love anyone the same. I'll never feel ashamed of you, seeing you for pleasure. You're the only one who's making me come to my sinful senses. I'll never love anyone the same. I'll never feel ashamed of you, seeing you for pleasure. Of you, seeing you for pleasure. Of you, seeing you for pleasure.
So hold fast, cause you know this too shall pass. You had a bad run of luck, but it's not gonna last. Because just when things are looking like they're at their worst, that's when you take control of the race and claim your place in first. Hold fast, cause you know this too shall pass. You had a bad run of luck, but it's not gonna last. Because just when things are looking like they're at their worst, that's when you take control of the race and claim your place in first. So when I had to run a bad luck, who gives a fuck? That ain't never gonna change. My red is due, the bills are late, and my dogs got mange. My girl passed on the bed, and my favorite sweater's got both size holes. With that tattered tone, please, if I get some peace, man, God only knows. Cause I can't stop until my death, that's just the way I'll always be. Cause I've been fighting for my best since it was first given to me. And then one day I found a penny of a ragged ship on a wind-tossed sea. And the black red hold fast even when all others turn and flee. Hold fast, cause you know this too shall pass. You had a bad run of luck, but it's not gonna last. Because just when things are looking like they're at their worst, that's when you take control of the race and claim your place in first. Hold fast, cause you know this too shall pass. You had a bad run of luck, but it's not gonna last. Because just when things are looking like they're at their worst, that's when you take control of the race and claim your place in first.
Okay, let's try this again.
Shall pass, you had a bad run of luck, but it's not gonna last because just when things are looking like they're at their worst, that's when you take control of the race and claim your place in first. Hold fast, cause you know this too shall pass. You had a bad run of luck, but it's not gonna last because just when
Okay,
things are looking
looking
like
back
they're
at
at
how
their
they
worst,
do
that's
the
when you take
setup.
control of the race and claim your place in first. Hold fast, cause you know this too shall pass. You had a bad run of luck, but it's not gonna last because just when things are looking like they're at their worst, that's when you take control of the race and claim your place in first. Hold fast, cause you know this too shall pass. You had a bad run of luck, but it's not gonna last because just when things are looking like they're at their worst, that's when you take control of the race and claim your place in first.
Do I have to have this installed? Let's see. No, okay. So let's do, actually we have to add UV first, because we haven't done that yet. So, need to do this. Actually, have we already, let me check. I think we already have UV. Yeah, we do, okay. So we already have UV installed, so all we have to do is UV in it, and we're gonna do the blue sky dash. Oh wait, we're already inside a blue sky tool, so instead we can actually just skip straight to UV, then V. And then we do venv activate after that. So we just do this. And then this should just function now. So if we do this, there we go. And we should see. Well. Now if we do UV add MCP, CLI, HTTPX, no Pi project toml found in current directory. Oh, that's probably why we need to do the init. Okay, fair enough. Okay, okay. Alright, we have to close out of that entirely then, and instead go back into son of a bitch right here, and just delete this now. Okay, and now we're gonna open it up again. Delete that. Okay, so now what we will do is terminal. And we already have UV installed, so all we have to do is UV init, and let's call this tools.
I already know you've been talking about me.
Yeah. Niggas on that shit again. Yeah, niggas on top. On top. Niggas on. Yeah. Look. Hey, hoey, is you stupid or you dumb? Popping it and screaming about a 20v1. Hey, hoey, is you finished or you done? We don't give a fuck where you from, where you from. Okay. What's up? Shut up. Okay. What's up? Shut up. Baby teeth, you ain't even got a plaque yet. Fact check, we wanna see the numbers like a math test. Round, Joey, round, we gon' name it at your backpack. Real shit, you should act more, you should rap less. Every verse ass with that BBL cost. West Coast getting seasoned, now you heavy on the salt. Catch him at the Staples Center, bet you I'm a spark. Goofy, don't let power get your TV turned off. Nigga, what? You done ran into them steppers who don't tap dance. Gucci trash bands just for you to put them raps in. Conductor got you sounding like you in a jazz band. Why you going after Dottie, think he Pac-Man? Ooh, CJ like 40 and he on drugs. Clickbaiting for the honeycomb, get your own buzz. Skeletons inside my closet playing Bone Thugs. I put the whole pro era on a pro plug. Hey, hoey, is you stupid or you dumb? Popping it and screaming about a 20v1. Hey, hoey, is you finished or you done? We don't give a fuck where you from, where you from. Okay. What's up? Shut up. Okay. What's up? Shut up. Niggas won't smoke, I'm a vape lord. Walk around with 9 on me, feel like I'm in grade 4. I could send him to the stars, he get paid for it. But standing next to Soul ain't gon' save yours. But every verse, ho, we talking about I'm back. We don't give a fuck about where you was or where you at. See, the fans only know you for the acts, not the blaps. I know where you was and you was never on a map. Look, sleep with one eye open, I'm in Futurama. Old heads ain't try to school you, let me do the honor. Stupid ass nigga, I could tell he never been in drama. Who and nobody, I was writing for your baby mama. Call yourself speaking for the coast without backup. Drop a little 3-track EP and nigga, that's up. See what happened last time I acted beef a rapper. How you on TV and your homie using CapCut? Get active, stop acting, get active, gang traction. Your last slap was in 2017 and I played ball. I could deal with niggas on the screen, Ray Whopper. Quick to turn a nigga to a rollout. Heard they move the goalposts every time we show out. Here's a line combo, it really is a blowout. That didn't respond, now you trying to call Cole out, dumbass. Hey, Hoey, is you stupid or you dumb? Popping it and screaming about a 20v1. Hey, rock him, stupid ass nigga, think he rock him. TDE superstars jealous, he ain't locked in. I done pull so many caps, I go to med school. Bullets flying by, sound like sounds on the Neptune. Thought the beef was livestock, really it was Deadpool. For that energy, I gave him wings once I Red Bull. Sorry, not sorry, she was weak, pardon me. Pardon me. You made a whole EP, copping please. Copping what? Black man, let him breathe, let him breathe. Nah, fuck that, hang him from the popular trees. He had y'all food like he do it for the sport. I'm Snoop Dogg, kicking over his little fort. Ay, bitch, you watch, you ain't carrying no torch. You let Ice Spice turn it to the king of New York. What the fuck? Get active. Stop acting. Stop acting. Get active. Stop acting. Stop acting. Get active. Stop acting. Get active. Stop acting.
Lucky I didn't bring my gun with me.
Oh, it's just a little pee on my jeans.
Kenny gonna get shot.
Kenny! Yeah.
Let me borrow your car real quick.
Yeah, girl.
I need to borrow your car real quick.
Yeah, girl.
Yeah, girl. Kenny in the studio trying to suck. Damn. Came out real quick.
Yeah, girl.
Damn. I'm about to quit.
It's really hard to get my phone out of my jeans.
I know where you live. I'm about to find your ass, bro.
I don't even eat Doritos anymore.
And steal some shit.
Yeah.
You know, man, life comes at you quick. I miss my cat.
I used to rule the world. Chunks would load when I gave the word. Now every night I go stowaway. Hide from the mind.
Oh. Or not. Okay, fuck it, I give up. Well, let's just see if we can even import. Okay, that's good. So that's working. And then, which one was it again? This one. And now let's try doing pip. And I just want to see.
When I ruled the land.
Okay, what am I fucking doing, bro? I want to know which Python it's using, because if I do this install again and it fucking installs it to the other Python, I'm gonna be pissed off. I guess I could do Python ---- version. Okay, it says 3.12, which means we're using the correct one, which is tools. As this one is 3.13. Okay. I swear to Jesus Christ, if I do pip install and it uses Python 13, I'm going to kill somebody. I'm so fucking done with this shit right now. I just want this to function. That's all I want. Is that so much to fucking ask? Okay. Anyways, it was at Proto or whatever. Postpartum never ends. So yes, it is indeed pip install at proto. I sort of Jesus Christ. Install the wrong one. And I will find you and I will kill you. I don't have a good feeling about this. I hate you. I hate you. Ah, I'm stupid. Thank you. I actually hate myself. I actually hate myself right now. I'm stupid. I don't know why I didn't think of that sooner as like a possibility. I'm just fucking stupid, you know? It's just how it is. I'm a dumb motherfucker. Okay, we're gonna start from the bottom then. I'll be on top of the world. Okay, there we go. Back into here, we can now do, we can grab the old blue sky code from neither of those, this one. So all I need to do is this one, paste. It works! I'm gonna cry. That's what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fucking cry. I'm trying to remember how for VS Code, then be secrets. I'm trying to remember how to do this. VS Code, then the environment variables, Python environments, and VS Code, yada yada. So yeah, we do that, and then environment variables, here we go. So we do environment underscore variable equals value. Comments, yada yada. So dot env is how I would do that, that's right. Yeah. Coming around, it's coming around once again, it is, it's coming around once again. Okay, so we're gonna do our dot, env, and I want to see something. If I do like gg equals, okay, it's not working. Come around. Never sounded so good, it never sounded alive. Cause the sound when I drowned, it resounded as it ground up in me. Still I can't deny that the moment I fly, when the taste of the breath pulls the death out of I, it's the why that defies all the whys that my eyes really see. And still it's coming around. think there's a way to disable it. Oh, yeah. I should be able to open this one up. Wonder. Okay, yeah. Ah! I didn't think that one through. I didn't think that through at all. Alright, we're gonna have to do this real fast. And I'm just gonna copy all of this. Well, actually, I don't need the LLM endpoint part, so I only need these ones, I think. Client ID, client secret. Okay, that's for Twitch API. So can I reveal all variables? Okay, yep. Just wanted to make sure. Okay. Paste. And there we go. And now hide variables again. Okay, we have the variables set up now. So we can now just, I guess, copy this in, which I assume we want to do this then. And then we can grab this, paste, save, paste, save, and yes. So now we begin the process, which is going to be staring at somebody else's code and seeing what they did. I already know what they did, so like it's not a big deal. Does it have to be async? Because in the documentation it's asynchronous, but like, actually, you know what? I'm pretty sure my code didn't have async. It did not. Okay, it does not have to be asynchronous. We're good then. Okay, at mcp dot tools at oh, I forgot to initialize that. We need to initialize our server. So we initialize it first before setting our constants and whatnot. And then once again, we're going to name this one to Blue Sky instead. Save mcp dot, is it add tool or is it just tool? I think it's at mcp dot tool. I think it's just tool. Yep. Boom. And now we've added a tool that can be called, and yeah. So now what we do is we do a define, and we just copy this. Which we're only going to copy a little bit of it because I need to remember what's necessary for this to work, and we can also comment it a little bit so we return a string, and then we're just gonna do that. So text equals string enabled, we can get rid of, save. So we input a string and get a string back out. And return. So for this one, that's format alert. Let's look at the code that I wrote in here. So this one returns a string, which this is all that happens. Okay. So, Yeah, so I only comment the functions themselves. If the server is running, yada yada. So I think we just kind of do this right here, but forecast, so out that. So that's for the get forecast, get alerts, get weather alerts for the US, 2-letter US state code, CANI, yada yada. So return. Okay, so that, okay. So, what else do they do? Temperature forecast, yada yada. What's this?
First thing I did when I crawled from the wreckage was scream, please don't call 911. I stand to my feet, scoop up my insides, I'll be just fine on my own. Next day at work, my boss complains about my bloody shirt. He said, stop singing bombs. That's what my mama said. Yeah, stop singing bombs. We're not dead yet. Bring me a bowl and I'll break a backbone. Pieces of you. Pour me a drink. I'll tell you your fortune. The stars say you're blue. The last thing she said, you're better off ignorant than dead. Stop singing doom bombs. Sing a happy song. Stop singing doom bombs.
I don't need to reply to this, actually. Somebody else already replied. Okay. Back to this. So, I don't think we want to return any of that. But what if I want to return something? Let me look at somebody else's code. Because my question would be... Oh! Okay, so that's how they do the quote-unquote errors. Okay, so yeah, you just do normal error handling. Okay. Kind of like what I did here. So also I should say, oh, I didn't think that went through. We have to do 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And usually I actually like to indent like this, just because.
Don't even dip your toe in the water. Unless you plan to swim, don't give a fucking inch. Unless you're planning to give in, don't even leave the nest unless you plan to fly. And no matter what, never say die. I said no matter what, never say die. I said no matter what, never say die. Don't ever say die. People will disrespect you for the strangest things. They'll hold you underneath their thumb and try to clip your wings. But
Now,
the
for the sake
only
of
way
testing,
to win is
I'm actually gonna do this
so never give in and don't take no shit.
so that I can gonna do a quick post, and the text we're just gonna say hello. And I want to have a return, so we're gonna return this, so we're gonna print out, I think this should work. It should still, like, send the post, but we'll also return some sort of, something. I don't know what it'll return, but it'll return something. Okay then. That's interesting. Let's try copying this and using it. This is supposedly my password, so it's possible that maybe the password's incorrect. I might have changed the password at some point, so we're gonna rerun this now. So I know for a fact it should get the correct, oh, okay, it actually sent that time. Let me check to make sure it actually did send. So we're gonna go to Blue Sky, and we should see that there's a post that says hello world. Yeah, it's sent. So that's weird. Then that suggests, for some reason, the load dot env for some reason didn't actually function. Let's see, is there a reason that might not have happened? So we load it, and then login os.get env. I mean, I would assume it should work. So I don't know why it wouldn't. Let's copy this. So it's os.get en. Paste that, and then do the same thing for this. Save it, and try running it again, and see what happens. Either session string or login should be provided. So yeah, it's, I don't know what it's getting then, so we're going to print and see what it's getting for the login. And in that case, we're actually going to comment that out. Clear, and let's see, run this. Comment that out then. Just comment all of this out.
1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it drop right here, right? They homies. Whoa, kid it. I've been making moves, I done made the news. All the kids is brainwashed, sipping on the cool, crippin' like a fool, gripping on the tool. I'm a short shot when I shock her like a boom. My game not boom, my name not fool. Daisy, I'm Jay-Z from
So yeah, it's getting none for some reason. Which, let me make sure. 1 second. Yep, I thought so. I forgot to hide them, so I just did that real fast. That's interesting. Let me make sure.
And Kenny Beats is the police. Kenny Beats
Wait a minute. Okay, yeah, no. So yeah, that's this one. So if we compare that to I Swear to Jesus.
If Kenny Beats is the police, then I don't fuck with the police.
So we have this. So yeah, there's nothing that's like really different about it.
Said it, boo. Season finale.
Including the name.
Whoa, get it. Denzel in God mode is outrageous. Bars so hard, my raps feel like cages. Customized Bruce Lee kicks, they all Asian. Sweatshops in Vietnam, I'm so racist. You the type of nigga they love to hate hearing. Nigga, I do not care, I'm Ed Sheeran. I don't give a fuck, my nigga, I feel like Jiren. Going against Koku, who the fuck told you? Everybody in the whole game tried to mold you. Clay-Doh, Play-Doh, Curry don't play though. Say so, lasso, rope the game, asshole. I don't really give a fuck about you. It's cash flow. Cash rules everything around me. Cream. Guns rule everything around us. Beams. Green or the red or the dot to your head. Fuck around with the Curry, better league and leave him dead. Oh, flames all on my body like I'm Charmander. Denzel in a pond like a salamander. Came through and you know I got the right answer. Everything a nigga spit shit is all cancer. All AIDS, all ballpoint blades. Niggas don't know about me, they all fade.
I did that wrong.
Of the moon, of the motherfucking
Or,
sun.
you know, in the
Denzel,
wrong
the
one.
unique one, the godson. I may
We
not
need to do
be
it
Nas, a
inside
Lil
of
Nas
here,
X,
so we
but
load.
Denzel hit a nigga through the solar plex. I don't really give a fucking nigga, it's the next. Like MTV, it's BET, you see, or WET, cause Kenny's on the beat. Oh, get it. Get it, wet, white entertainment. Niggas don't know that the nigga is insane, bitch. Y'all niggas on some lame
False.
shit.
Why?
Game shit. Dropping names and
Okay,
shit.
okay, let's
Came
do
through, I'm
this
insane,
now.
you bitch. I might drain your bitch of her esophagus. Stop the shit.
Try this. False. Okay, great, lovely. Oh. No, okay. swear to fucking God, I hate everything. Okay, since it's not working, I'm going to give up, and we're just gonna have to do it manually. So instead of using load.env and all that, we're just gonna instead move this to the recycling bin. And I'm gonna have to do this real fast. And we're gonna create a new text file. What the fuck? Oh. Oh, you know what? My other phone's probably going off as well, then. I had some alarms going off. This song is very fitting for me right now. Okay, so new text file. Can I create my own? Like, what if I did like a text file and I did like .secret as like a way of naming it or something? I don't know. Secrets dot secret. Yeah, so it considers it to be just a text file. Interesting. Okay, so now what I want to try doing is back into extensions with camouflage. I should be able to settings. And let's see. So let's make it. So let's see if this functions by pasting in this. If this works, I will be so happy. Yeah, it didn't work. I didn't think it would. You know what? That was stupid anyways. Maybe I have to create. Oh, maybe because I didn't create it. Oh, okay. I have a realization. So I think I have to create it, don't I? never mind. I didn't know if I had to use a command to create it, but apparently fucking not. Oh my god. .env.
Moving somewhere better for me. Moving now. Moving now. Moving now. Moving now. Yes, I'm moving out of the city today. Yes, I'm moving somewhere better for me.
So it's not that it's missing, it's just that it doesn't want to fucking open up. Or maybe... Maybe it's possible it's not in here? I mean, I doubt it. Yeah, it's right here, so that's not the case. I'm going to kill somebody. Dude, I'm getting sick and tired of this UV bullshit. It's necessary, but it's so fucking obnoxious at this point. Okay. So now all I need to do is this and back into here. And I just need to now do UV run. Set the environment variable. So how would I set that? Or I guess I can do this instead, flag to UV run. So it would be like this. UV run, Python, C, JS. Do I have to do UV run or can I just do UV?
Come to think about it, it's all in my head. Fuel tank blink, it's been running in the red. Praying for a green light, we can stay ahead. Nothing else seems right, you know what I said. Tell myself to calm down, listen, understand. Somewhere I got stuck, image in my hand. Everything I want was never in the plans. And now it's hard to think. I've been running in and out of dreams, repeat. And everything you ever say, see in me. So am I not a ghost? Passing through these walls I used to call a home. Left my body lying on the doormat. Turn away the sun and not to go back.
Hi. Not currently, no. Oh, gotcha, okay. Yeah. Okay, I will be stopping my stream then, instead of letting it die at some random point. Docs, controls. Yes, alright, so you guys are